Hey, this is my bike. I just want to do a little bike check on it. It's a Verde Theory, and I'm gonna go from the back, go to the front. So I got the Odyssey Hazard V2 cassette, 10 tooth. I got it laced to a Super J Pro triple walled rim. I got animal white wall. I got the stock seat, comes with the bike. I got animal mid ball bearings. My cranks are greenhouse, and my sprocket is Shadow Conspiracy. My chain is Shadow, and my pedals are stock. My front wheel, I got a E-clot hub laced to a Cinema 777. My forks, they are E-clot streamed. My I got the white wall, animal white walls. I got Odyssey headset. I got a Mutiny stem, and my handlebars are stock. My grips are ODIs, and my bar ends are animal. So that's it. Rate, comment, subscribe.